Hi, I'm Stuart from SLB Leadworks. Welcome to the next video. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. Okay, so what we need to do is change these concrete hips for lead ones. We've got one to do here and another one to do over there. So the first thing I'm going to do is knock up all the lead, oil it and give it a chance to dry. And then what I'll do is start removing these concrete hips. Okay, so let's get some hips knocked up. So I've already got some lead here cut to size. These are 1.5 metre sections, 450 code 5. Just going to mark the centre. That's 225. And then 50mm either side of that. Chalk a line through. Okay, so that's that one knocked up. What I'm going to do now is knock a few more up like that, then I can boss the roll ends on a couple of them as well. Okay, so I've got a few bits knocked up now. I've also just bossed over the first roll end. So now that's done, let's boss over the next one. Okay, so now they're knocked up, what I've also done is I've just cut a load of clips as well. I've oiled everything on both sides. So now that's done, what I'm going to do now is start taking off the concrete hips. Okay, so I've just taken off the first concrete hip. That came off quite nicely. Now that's off, what I've also done is I've just packed up the hip with some timber to make sure it's the right height for the wood roll. You just need to make sure the wood roll sits 5mm higher than the slates. So now I've packed up the hip to the right height. What I'm going to do now is get all the clips on and fix the wood rolls. So that's all the clips on now and the wood roll fixed too. You can see what I've done there is I've used a chalk line just to make sure that I can get that straight all the way up. So now that's done, start putting some lead on. That's that first length of hip on there now. That went in quite nicely. All I need to do is just weld that front corner, but I'm going to leave that for the minute. I'm going to get the next length fitted. Okay, so let's get this next length on. I have to be quick because it's just started raining. So I've just given this another coat of patination oil on the underside. Get some nails. I've given mine 200mm lap. It's quite a shallow pitch. Oh no, that one got away. Get one more nail in now, I think. Okay, so that's that one fitted now. All I need to do now is just knock up a little bit for the end. I'll get that one in, then I'll cut the clips and dress them over as well. Okay, so that's those last bits pieced in there now. All the clips are trimmed and dressed as well on both sides. So now that's done, what I need to do next is make some caps for these tops. And actually the client has now asked me to change all this apron flashing as well, as this hasn't been done very well. There's not much cover over the slates, and literally from there all the way around, I think it's around to here, that's all one piece. That's 2.8 meters long in one section. I've done it there. On this side, from here all the way around, I think it went from memory, yeah, it goes all the way around to there. That's one piece as well. And through the front I have actually put a join in there, but that is still too long, so the client has asked me while I'm here to change that as well. But I'm going to save that for another video and wrap this one up here. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at @SOBLeadworks. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.